How to use Real Debrid with Stremio. So guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Debrid with Stremio. So let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine, and then go to this link right here, torrentio.stream.fun/configure. After you're there, just select your preferred provider and then tap on install. After you install this, you can simply set it up and go to another tab and search for Real Debrid. After you search for Real Debrid, open the link up and just let it load. And after you're there, you will be able to download one. Select whichever you want and tap on download. Now, after you tap on download, you will be able to pay for it. You can use whichever medium that you want. So just tap on one, select one, and then download it, and you can pay for it. And yeah, that is basically how you can use Real Debrid with Stremio. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.